Hello, everyone. My name is Luke Reynaud, and I had the joy and the exhilarating wild ride of writing a song with like 1,000 people on day 2 of the Global Joy Summit in an hour. And we took it was like a whirlwind, but I wanted to complete the song and what we did, and I wanted to give thanks to Miriam, who was one who hopped online and spoke to me and told us all a very deep story about emerging from sorrow and into joy. And that really kicked off our song journey. And then everyone chimed in with so many lines and expressions and thoughts around joy and sorrow and emerging into joy as we worked together to write this song about joy. And I wanted to tell everyone that was involved. I went through the transcript today as I tried to continue the song further, and there were so many comments and suggestions that were so beautiful and deep, and if I could use them all, we could have wrote like a 20-verse song. And so I just used what I could, and we paired it together and culminated the best magic I could in this song about joy from all of your input. Every word in here is from everyone that was online that day, and people in the room, and everyone involved, even my wife. So this is a song about joy written by like 1,000 people at the Joy Summit, and I'm gonna go for singing it. Let's see. It's a process. That's the point. Been through darkness, it felt like a fight, like a war. All the joy was smushed out of light. I've been through darkness, the flame was low, but in the stillness my light could glow. How do I get up in the morning? Everyday small things. I've been through the fire, I've been through the flood. Cleansed by the sorrow, I was still alive. I guess sometimes darkness reveals the light, like a butterfly waiting inside. I was crying when I saw the sun rise, like a butterfly waiting inside. I knew it was my time for flight. Now I'm looking through new lens. I see life's wonders. I gotta sing that again. Now I'm looking through new lens. I see life's wonders like grandchildren. I heard those blackbirds, they were whistling outside, but my soul jet wanted to fly, like a butterfly waiting inside. I was crying when I saw the sunrise, like a butterfly waiting inside. I knew it was my time for flight. Deep down, satisfaction, doing the will of life. Happiness that opens the heart, laughter, my emotions running wild. Sunrise, sunrise, shared humanity. The eyes of the young and the eyes of the old, that moment when nothing else matters. Spending time with my beautiful daughter, holding my baby and smelling his head. From a bee to the flower to the sunset sea, a bubble bath of love, a true sincere hug, yeah. Effervescence connection, yeah. High vibration, a smile for no reason, yeah. Jewelry from the ordinary you, my lover beside me. Freedom from anxiety, gratitude and presence. Grandchildren, grandchildren, woo. Grandchildren, yeah. Talking about kids and the innocence, woo. Talking about joy, oh. Talking about joy, woo. Talking about joy, joy, joy. Talking about joy. Talking about joy, joy, joy. Talking about joy. Woo. Come on, sing with me. Talking about joy, joy, joy. We're talking about joy. Woo. Hey. We're talking about joy, joy, joy. We're talking about joy. Woo. We're talking about joy, joy, joy. We're talking about joy. Talking about joy, joy, joy. We talking about joy, yeah. Ooh. We're living out joy, joy, joy. We're living that joy, yeah. Keep living that joy, joy, joy. Keep living that joy. Woo! Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Miriam, again, and the Joy Summit, and everyone, all thousands of people that came together to write this song about joy. It's still in the works, but I love it. And my name is Luke Reynaud, and I'm from an organization called the Goodness Tour, which brings music and art to people facing adversity. And my band name is Luke and the Lovingtons. And I wish you so much love and joy. Thank you.